Managing projects shouldn't feel like chasing updates across the tools, but most project owners still struggle to see. With TrackerOPS, everything starts with one unified dashboard. See tools, tasks, completed work, pending items, and overdue risks instantly. Drill down into any project and understand its real health. Track progress, team activity, and project completion trends, all in real time. In to-dos, create tasks, assign them instantly, track who owns each deliverable and what's still pending. Share important updates, resources, and announcement in one place. Keep all project files, documents, and references centralized. Collaborate with your team members in real time. Discuss tasks, tag members, and resolve the blockers faster. Maintain clear project context, goals, scope, and details, so every team member works with the same understanding and same level. TrackerOPS, from tracking to delivery, all in one connected workspace.